Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your phone, VR box, and a clear tabletop. Power your phone above 50% and turn off sleep so the app won't cut out. Once done, clean the headset lenses and the phone screen to prevent blur. Dust causes motion sickness. Make sure the VR app is installed, updated, and has camera and audio permissions so tracking and sound work. Now you're ready to open the front tray and begin inserting the phone. You place the phone into the tray, screen facing the lenses and centered on the headset markers so the split screen lines match the lenses. Once seated, clip or lock the phone so it won't shift. Check that any headphone cable can exit without pinching. Next, launch the VR app and run the in-app calibration. Set the interpupillary distance and adjust the split screen until both eyes show a crisp image. This step prevents double vision and keeps motion smooth while you move. You finalize fit by tightening straps so the headset sits snugly with even pressure. Make sure foam seals light, especially around the nose. Then use the focus knobs or slider to fine-tune sharpness for each eye. This improves comfort and reduces fatigue. If you experience drift or blur, recenter the view using the app controls. If that fails, remove and reseat the phone, restart the app, or reboot the phone. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.